Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to approach making Desi Daru in Canada safely and legally. Start by checking provincial laws and permits, choosing legal homebrew routes, and prioritizing health and safety over shortcuts. Avoid illicit distillation, use approved ingredients and equipment, and consult local authorities before producing any alcohol. If you prefer cultural recipes, adapt them to legal fermentation methods like beer or wine, or buy from licensed makers. I'll walk you through legal alternatives that preserve flavor without breaking rules. Consider beer or wine kits, koji-based fermentations, and flavored commercial spirits to replicate Desi Daru notes. Use spices, jaggery, and controlled aging to mimic aroma while following safe fermentation practices. Support local artisans and licensed distillers who can produce traditional profiles legally and with quality control. This keeps you safe, legal, and respectful of community traditions. Enjoy responsibly. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Little Tree's black ice keeps your ride smelling fresh after market runs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for supporting small creators. It helps us bring more safe, legal brewing tips to your kitchen and community. Now let's get back to the video. Safety is essential when fermenting anything at home, so let's cover sanitation and risk reduction. Clean equipment, accurate measurements, and temperature control prevent contamination and off flavors. Never attempt illicit distillation, as it risks explosions, poisoning, legal trouble, and harm to others. Use tested kits, follow recipe sanitation steps, and discard suspect batches immediately. Ask local brewing clubs or health units if unsure, and document processes for safety and compliance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.